EPA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for August 8th, 2022. It is Monday. We're back to work, and the Monday video forecast is proudly sponsored by Kinsley's Family Market in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Kinsley's is the world's largest ShopRite, and the ShopRite logo means they're all about food, they're all about savings, and they're all about you. And Kinsley's has a lot more than just food. They have gas and charcoal grills, patio sets and umbrellas, gazebos, Adirondack chairs, Intex pools, air conditioners and fans, and mulch for those last-minute touch-ups. Everything you need to enjoy your summer. So stop by the world's largest ShopRite and gather the summer items so you can enjoy your hot dogs, burgers, and corn and beer in style. They are Kinsley ShopRite, located at 107 Kinsley's Drive in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Proud sponsors of the Monday video forecast. So we have very hot temperatures that we were seeing over the weekend. We're going to see continuation of that to start the new work week. As you see above me, 90 to 95 across the entire region today, and pretty close to that tomorrow, 88 to 95. We're going to widen the spread a little bit, and that's because we have a frontal boundary coming toward us. This frontal boundary is going to save the day. Save the day. Okay, not just from a rain standpoint for some areas, it's also going to bring in much cooler temperatures behind that. We'll get into that in a second. Now today, we still have a stray or isolated thunderstorm chance. As you can see here, there's really not much. This is looking at 5 p.m. on Monday on the European model into the evening, and that doesn't really show much here at all. The NAM has been, over the last couple of days, it has been very overly enthused with activity that was taking place that did not happen. Okay, so there was some spotty showers across and thunderstorms across parts of the area yesterday, but it was a little bit too robust with what it was trying to sell with the model runs leading up to it. This might be another case of that today. This is looking at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It has this pseudo line here going on, a broken quasi-linear segment type thing going on here. And as this moves eastward, you get some scattered showers and thunderstorms that move along with it and then die out, just like yesterday. Die out once we lose daylight at the end of the day. So you lose your diurnal heating. So this is going to be a case of the haves and have-nots again. So some areas will get it, some will not. It's going to be favoring the same areas as yesterday. Today, quite frankly, folks, is a carbon copy of what Sunday was. From a precipitation standpoint, from the temperature standpoint, and it looks almost, it's the same air mass, same exact air mass, same exact decayed boundary that's kind of in the region here that'll get some storms going, mainly in our northern areas, okay? But you have the opportunity for that, according to the NAM anyway, going all the way up until about mid-evening, and then that's it. So mid-evening is about 9 o'clock or so. So you have this window of about 2 to about 9 p.m. for a thunderstorm in some areas moving west to east. You can see that here. Okay, so that's what the NAM has. I think once you get to Tuesday, you might have a little bit better chance in further southeast, more inclusive of some of the areas. And what's funny is the NAM is not very thrilled with that. It has some activity here Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. This is with the lead of a cold front. European model has this a little bit further northwest and just gets into these areas here. So not a lot of precipitation to speak of here on Tuesday. This is Tuesday at 5 p.m. and there's 8 p.m. So you can see some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, this is going to be running into a ridge. Big, strong, high pressure sitting out here. So this is not going to, this frontal boundary that's going to save the day, and again, I'll get to that in a second, is moving very slowly southeast because it's being blocked by this high. So this high is not going to be in a hurry to get out of the way. So that means I think we're going to have to deal with this again here on Wednesday, at least for our central and southern areas. Now, this has been consistent over the last several days. Since I did the weekend video forecast, it was showing generally the same general idea. So scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to be possible again on Wednesday afternoon and evening until this front fully clears. And, I'll tell you what, we've been lucking out so far at Music Fest, of course. So the bottom right-hand corner of the screen here, you can see the Music Fest logo with our website and our forecast pages that we produce for them throughout the entire fest. Yesterday was day 4, well, technically day 3, but they had a preview night also. 4 straight days where we did not have any weather interruptions thus far. Not sure if we're going to run out of luck here, either today with something maybe dancing in the vicinity here this evening. We did leave an isolated or stray thunderstorm in the forecast here for Monday, which is right here. Music Fest is right where we're right just below southeast of ABE here. So it's going to be a close call. This is 9 o'clock. There could be something stroll through there. So far, we haven't had to to worry about weather so much. I do think that you're going to have some concerns over the next couple of days with some things popping up. One of those opportunities is going to be later on Tuesday as well. So, and then when we get to Wednesday, I think we have a third shot here. So we have to get past the next 3 days, and we should be okay after that. Because after this front goes through, we are going to have a reinforcing front come through Thursday night, but it'll be coming overnight, so there's no precipitation with it. The front moves off the coast, and then we have a trough settling in straight through the weekend with dry conditions, mostly sunny skies, and just glorious temperatures. Here is the temperature anomalies that we're looking at today. We have some temperatures that are generally +5 to +10 above average, right, across the region. So it's very hot, as you can see above me. Very hot, right? We'll move this forward, and here comes the cold front here on Wednesday, which is right here. And then watch what happens after that. You get a little delay here until this fully comes through on Thursday. Thursday night it's going to come through, and then look at this. Look at that. Those are cooler than average anomalies. They're going to be sitting over the region in the Friday through Sunday time frame. We're talking about temperatures that are going to be in the lower 80s for most places. Some temperatures back in the 50s for overnight lows for a change, and very low humidity. So it's going to be fantastic weather, and we're going to have temperatures, not only the temperatures in check, but we're also going to have mostly sunny skies Friday through Sunday as well. So it looks like it's a very nice light at the end of the tunnel here, and that's going to go into, we think, at least early next week. So it's going to be pretty nice. Temperatures at least slightly below average during that stretch, and very refreshing, especially in that Friday through Sunday time frame. I'm EPA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for August 8th, 2022. Have a great Monday.